Have you ever stored something away for later and forgot where you put it, so you start that endless search through all of your stuff? Well, now there's a better way. Say hello to SmartLabels, the searchable label app system that tells you right where every one of your items is instantly. How does it work? Start by downloading the SmartLabels app to your mobile device. Next, create your account and place a label on your container. Scan the QR code with the app. Give the label a name, briefly describe what is going into the container, and take a picture so you'll know what to look for when it's time to find something. You can even create items within the container with a name, description, and picture. Color-coded labels make it even easier to categorize your belongings so you can find the right container with just a glance. Want to really get your organize on? With the professional package, you get add-on features like exportable PDFs and spreadsheets, item quantity counts, expiration dates for items, and more for only $14.95 per year. So get started with SmartLabels today. Your future self is going to love you.